Hi, a very good morning, everyone. Now, today's topic will be a continuation of your simultaneous linear equations word problems. Okay, so we have already finished the sum of two numbers, their difference. So that type of sums we've already finished. We have already covered in the previous tutorial. Okay, so today we'll be discussing about another type of question. Okay, in your simultaneous linear equation word problems. Okay, so like let's say for example, this is the question. It says cost of 4 kg of sugar, okay, and 5 kg of rice is 23. So that means, and then it says the cost of 2 kg of sugar and 3 kg of rice is rupees 13. So the two important the quantity that keeps on coming is that, let's say we have 4 kg, 5 kg, and what are we talking about? We are talking about, one is we are talking about sugar and another is talking about rice. So sugar and rice is the main two important things that we are focusing on in this question. Okay, so now in this type of question, how do we go about solving questions based on this type is, now whatever are the two things or the two quantities that have been discussed over here. Okay, so we always assume one of them to be as x and then the other one to be as y. Okay, sugar as x and rice is y, but how much kg of sugar will we take as as x? We'll always start by saying let the cost of, we always take 1 kg of sugar be x, and we'll say let the cost of 1 kg of rice be y. And why do we always consider 1 is because it's always the easiest, because if I know the price of 1, I will know the price of any that means amount that they have mentioned, whatever kg. Like if I say 1 kg is equals to rupees 10, then if I say 2 kg, obviously I'll multiply. So what will I get? I'll get 10 into 2. It becomes easy. Okay, so if I know the price of 1, then I can get the price of any quantity they ask me. Like if I say 3 kg, it'll be rupees 10 into 3, that is 30. If I say 100 kg, it'll be 100 into 10, like that. Okay, so if I say x kg, then it'll be what? Okay, x into 10. Clear? Or so that is how we go ahead and get the price of. So that means if I want to get the price of any kg, so the formula to get the cost will always be equals to whatever a number of kgs that we are talking about into the price of 1 kg. So like over here, so the price of 1 kg is 10, and how many kgs are we talking about? We are talking about 2. So we got 10 into 2 is 20. So if I have, let's say 3 kgs, then how did I get 30? So we took the price of 1 kg, that is 10, the price of 1 kg, that is 10, into the number of kgs, that is this one. Okay, so that's the formula that we will be applying. So we say let the cost of 1 kg of sugar be 4x and the cost of 1 kg of rice be y. Now it says how many kgs of sugar are we talking about? So it says 4 kg of sugar. So if I want to get the price of 4 kg of sugar, then what do you think the price will be? 4 kg of sugar. So if 1 kg will cost me x, then it will be what? Number of kgs into the price of each. That is what I said over here. Number of kgs into the price of 1 kg will give me the cost. So cost of 4 kg of sugar will be equals to 4x. Similarly, it says how much? It says 5 kg of rice. Now rice I've taken 1 kg to be as y, so same formula. So we have taken 5 kg into the price of each kg is y, so I got 5y. Okay, so that means 4 kg of sugar. So 4 kg of sugar, the price is 4x, and 5 kg of rice will be 5y. And it says when I put the total, so when I put this and this together, it says cost is how much? The cost is 23. That means indirectly we can say 4x plus 5y. So the sugar and the rice together, what is the price? That is 23. That's how we get our first equation. Okay, so how do I start by sum? We always start by checking what exactly are they talking about. They may talk about sugar and rice, they may talk about salt and dal, or they may talk about anything. Okay, whatever they have to mention. Okay, so accordingly, okay, it could be apples and oranges. Okay, whatever they say, as per that you take, let the cost of 1 kg. If it says apple and oranges, you'll say let the cost of 1 orange, not 1 kg, 1 orange, like that. Or if they say kg, you put kg. If they say 1, you put 1, like that. Okay, and then This, once I get this, then you check how many kgs are they talking about. So to get that, just multiply the whatever is the value given into your x, and I get that 5 kg of rice means 5 into y, that I get this much. So I get my first equation. Now in the second half, again they're talking about sugar and rice, but they have taken different quantities. Okay, over here, different quantities. 2 kg of sugar. Now in the second one they're talking about 2 kg of sugar. So 2 kg of sugar means what? Whatever is the quantity, that means number of kgs into the price, that I get 2x. Then again it says how much? 3 kg of rice. 3 kg of rice. So I put 3 kg of rice, that becomes 3 into y, that is equal to 3y. So again together, what's the price? Or that's the total. It says is rupees 13. So indirectly, when I put this together, it becomes 2x plus 3y is equal to 13. So that's how I get my first equation and I get my second equation. So once I get the first equation and the second equation, you just have to go ahead and solve it. And any method you want to solve. But I think the easiest one is my cross multiplication. There's a direct method also, but for some of you, in case you think you get confused, just put the 2 over here, 4 over here. I said there is a direct one also. Forget about the direct right now. 2 4s I get 8x plus 2 5s are 10y is equal to 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 4 2s are 8x plus 4 3s are 12y is equal to 4 3s are 12, 52. And then what do? I subtract. We get minus, we get minus, we get minus out. Minus 2y is equals to minus 12 minus 6 out. So y is equals to 3. So we get y is equal to 3. And then substituting the value of y in equation, you can substitute in equation 1, equation 2, wherever you want. Let's say in equation 1, let's say I consider this as equation 1 and equation 2. So we have 4x plus 5y is equal to 23. This is actually easier, okay, but since most of the time students, they substitute in 1, so I'm substituting in 1. Okay, then I get 4x plus 5 into 3 is equal to 23. 4x plus 15 is equal to 23. So what do we get? 4x is equal to 23 minus 15. So 4x is equals to 8. And then what do I get? I think it's 8. Yeah. And then x is equals to 2. Okay. So that's how we get the value of x and y. Now, but what was x and y? So ultimately, we'll have to write the value of what is x and what is y. So now cost of 1 kg of sugar, we have assumed it to be as x. So therefore, we say, therefore, cost of 1 kg of sugar is equals to x, that is equals to rupees 2. Okay. And cost of 1 kg of rice is equals to rupees 3. And that is the first question they have asked us. 1 kg of sugar and 1 kg of rice. We got the cost of 1 kg of sugar and the cost of 1 kg of rice. Now it says get 3 kg of sugar and so now cost of 3 kg of sugar. What will that be? If 1 kg is 2, that means it will be 3 into 2. So 6 rupees is the cost of 3 kg of sugar. And then it says cost of 4 kg of rice. If 1 kg of rice is rupees 3, then it will be 4 into 3, that is equal to rupees 12. So that's how we go ahead and solve these kind of questions. So you'll have to check what exactly are they mentioning. Okay, so if they say sugar and rice, will take the cost of 1 kg of sugar to be x and the 1 kg of rice to be as y. So whatever comes first, you just assume that to be as x. Whatever comes at the back, you assume that to be as y. Okay, it could be anything. I said it's just not always sugar and rice. It could be anything. So that is how we solve this type of a sum. So we just have to go ahead and check how many kg and then just put it and then get the two equations. Okay, now the next type that we will be discussing is the sums based on coins. Okay, like for example, let's say this one. There are 10 coins in a collection of 50 paise coins and 25 paise coins. Now what does it mean? Means I have I have like 50 paise coins and I have 25 paise coins. So together, total how many coins? If I put the 50 paise coins and the 25 coins together, so we have a total of 10 coins. So mixture, that means when I put it together, I mix it up, we have a total of 10 coins. Now I do not know how many 50 paise coins I have, how many 25 paise coins. I could have 5 and 5. Okay, total becomes 10, or I could have 2 and 8, or I could have 7 and 3, or I could have 6 and 4 coin. I may have 6 of these and I may have 4 of these. I may have 5 and 5 of these, 7 of this, 3 of these, 8 of this, 2 of these, and then whatever it is, but the total is 10 coins. Okay, and then it says the total value of the collection is rupees 3. So that means when I put it together and when I start counting, okay, when I start counting, I know I have 10 coins. When I take the value of the 10 coins that I have, okay, The total comes out to be rupees 3, it says. Now, and then ultimately it asks how many of each coin. So I know the total is 3 rupees. Total, when I add it, I get 3 rupees, and number of coins is 10. Now it says how many of 50 paise and how many of 25 paise coins do I have? Do I have 7 and 3? Do I have 6 and 4? Do I have 5 coins? Do I have 2 and 8 coins? Do I have 1 coins and 9 coins? How many coins of each do I have? Okay, so now the first important thing in this kind of a question in coins is you'll have to start converting the paise into rupees. So you cannot just take 50 paise in the equation. You cannot take 25 paise in the question. So like 50 paise, I need to convert them into rupees. So to convert any paise into rupees, I have to divide by 100. So like 50 paise, it becomes 50 by 100. I'll have to write half rupees or rupees half. Okay, clear? So if I have 25 paise, I'll have to do 25 by 100. That comes out to be 1 by 4. If I have 20 paise, then I'll have to 20 by 100. That comes out to be 1 by 5. Like that. Okay, so every time whatever is the paise, that needs to be converted into your rupees. Okay, and sometimes you may have, let's say, rupees 8 point, let's say 20. It means I have 8 rupees and 20 paise. If I have 8 rupees and 20 paise, then what do we do? How do I write them? Okay, so the 8 remains 8 only. 20 paise means 20 by 100. So I do 21s are 25s are. So I have 8 plus 1 by 5. So if I have 8 rupees 20 paise, means that is how we write. We write the 8 as it is because it's already in rupees. Okay, and means in your maths is plus. So sum of 2 and 4 means what? 2 plus 4. Okay, so and over here means a plus we do, and 20 paise means 20 by 100, just like we did. And then over here, once I get this, then we find the LCM, that is equal to 5. And then what do I get? 5, it's a 40 plus 1, that is equal to 41 by 5. So rupees 41 by 5. Okay, so that is how we go ahead and solve. So that's the first important thing. Now how do I start? Now it says there are 10 coins. So how do I start? We say 50 paise coins and 25 paise coins, isn't it? So how do I start? I'll write it in the next page, okay? So, so first thing is when we'll say 50 paise is equals to 50 by 100, that is equals to half rupees. So you start by doing this. 25 paise, so I do my conversion first. 25 by 100, that is equals to 1 by 4. Okay, once I've done with the conversion, then you'll always do this. Okay, so you'll say let the number of, first what is coming in the question, 50 paise is coming, so I say let the number of 50 paise coins be x. So let's say I have x number of 50 paise coins. So I do not know. X means maybe there are 2 50 paise coins, maybe there are 3, we do not know. Similarly, I say let the number of 25 paise coins be y. So the first 50 paise comes, so I take that as x, and second 25 paise comes, I'll take that as y. If it was 25 first and 50 at the back, I would have taken 25 first as x. Whatever comes first, you take that to be as x. Then it says there are, then you say how there are 10 coins, so then you check. Okay, so first equation in this type, the first equation will always frame using how many coins are given. So how many coins are given in the question? There are 10 coins given. So that means when I do a total of the 50 and the 25 paise, so I have 50 paise here and I have 25 paise here. So when I put it together and start counting them, when I add them and count how many are there, there are 10 coins. So that means, okay, you don't have to write this. Okay, this is just to explain you. So that means 50 paise coins and 25 paise coins together, when I put them, that is how many are there? There are 10 of them. So it means 50 paise coins and 25 paise coins, when I put it together, is equal to 10 means, but what is 50 paise coins? That is x. So we have x, and means a plus, and how many 25 paise coins? Y. So we said number of 50 paise coins is x, and number of 25 paise coins is this, that is equal to 10. That becomes my first equation. So how many coins are there in the question? I use that information to frame my first equation, and then I've assumed there are 50 paise, x number of 50 paise coins, and I've assumed there are y number of 25 paise coins, and that is equals to 10. That's the first information. So you don't have to do this, you don't have to, directly you can write x plus y is equal to 10 in your exam. Okay, then how do I frame my second equation? Okay, to frame the second equation, look at this. Okay, now let's say if I have let's say there are 3 coins. How many coins are there? Number of coins, I'm saying, let's say there are 3. Okay, and each coin is of rupees 5. So that means I have 5 rupees coin, and how many are there? 3. So what is the total money that I have? Obviously there are only 3 coins, and each coin is of 5 rupees. So what will be the total money? So that means it will be equal to number of coins into price of each coin. So that is equals to 3 into 5. So that means I have a total of 15 rupees. So how do I know I have 15 rupees? I just know I have 3 coins, and har ek coin is of 5 rupees. So 5 means 5 3s is 15 rupees. So similarly, if I say I have, instead of 3 coins, now if I say number of coins, I have x. Just like 3 coins, I have x. And then if I say value of each coin is rupees half. So then what is the total money that I have? Obviously the same formula, number of coins into the price of each coin. So number of coins, every time if I want to know what is the total money that I have with me, then I just check how many coins do I have in my hand, and then what is the price of each coin. I just multiply the two of them. So number of coins is x into the price of each coin is this. Then I get what? This like this, x into 1 is x divided by 2 into 1. So I have total money is x by 2. Okay, so that is what information we use over here. Okay, so this is the information that we use. Now look over here. Okay, so I frame the second equation over here using that information. So it says, where is the question? Sorry, where is the question? Oh yeah, the question was over here. Okay, now let's frame an equation in the next page so that I can just have a look at my question. Okay, it says total value of the collection. So but the collection, total value of the collection is rupees 3, but this collection involves what? It has 50 paise and 25 paise also. So if I put the total value of 50 paise and the total value of 25 paise, then it comes out to be 3. So first what I do is I individually find the value of 50 paise coins, and I find the value of 25 paise coins. So now let's say for the 50 paise coins, okay, number of coins, I'm talking about 50 paise. We have taken number of coins to be as how much? So we have done it over here. 50 paise, number of coins we have taken to be as x. So 50 paise, number of coins is equal to x. Okay, and 50 paise means the value of each coin. Obviously value of each coin is 50 paise, but I said we will not write it as 50 paise, we'll write it as half rupee. So that means total value will be how much? Will be equal to number of coins into the value of each coin, that is equal to x by 2. Okay, so this is the total valuation of what? 50 paise coins. Similarly, but in that whatever the container you may have, or in that whatever the mixture, you have 25 paise coins also. Okay, it's not just 50 paise coins. I have 25 paise coins. Similarly, I do the same thing. Number of coins, how many 25 paise coins do I have? I have y number of coins, and then the value of each coin is how much? Obviously 25 paise, I will not write it as 25, I said we'll write it as 1 by 4. So the value of each coin is 1 by 4. So the total value of 25 paise coins is the same formula, number of coins into the value of each coin. 1, so I get y by 4. So x by 2 is the value of 50 paise coins, y by 4 is the value of 25 paise coins, but it says the total value of the collection is rupees 3. Okay, so total value is equal to rupees 3. Okay, that is what the question says. But how do I get the total value? Total value means it is value of 50 paise plus the value of 25 paise. Why? Because in this one I have 50 paise coins also mixed and I have 25 paise coins also mixed. So if I put this and this together, only then I will get my total value, and that is equal to rupees 3. But value 50 paise coin, just now we got it to be as value 50 paise coins, we have got x by 2. So I put x by 2 plus value of 25 paise coins, we have got what? Y by 4, that is equal to 3. And then I find the LCM, and then I get 2x plus y is equal to 3. Then we get 2x plus y is equals to, when I cross multiply, 12. So that's my second equation. So we got our first equation, that is x plus y using how many coins? That is equals to this. And then now I use the value of each coin, and then once I got the value of the two different coins that are there in the collection, okay, then I put them together and that gives me the total value, and this is how we put the total, we get the total value, and then use that information to get our second equation. So now our first equation was x plus y is equal to 10. Second equation is this. So then what do? I cross 2 and 1, and then what do I get? I get 2x plus 2y is equals to 10, and down I get 2x plus y is equal to 12. So I subtract, we get minus, we get minus, we get minus out. So yeah, we get what? Y is equals to minus, no, we get 2 tens are, sorry, 2 tens is 20, and then we get it as 8. So y is equals to 8, and then now substituting the value of y in equation 1. This is equation 1. So when I substitute, I get what? X plus y is equal to 10. X plus 8 is equal to 10. X is equals to 10 minus 8, that is equal to 2. Okay, so we got ultimately x to be as 2 and y to be as 8. But what was my x and my y? Okay, so x was the number of 50 paise coins, and y was the number of, x was the number of 50 paise coins, and y was the number of 25 paise coins. So therefore number of 50 paise coins was x, that is equals to 2, and number of 25 paise coins, that is equals to 8. So we had these many coins of 50 and this many coins of 25, and that's why total came out to be 3. Now if you want to check also 2, and if I have 50 paise 2 coins, that will be equal to rupees rupee 1, isn't it? This will give me 1 rupees. 8 25 paise coins will give me rupees 2, and then total is 3. Am I not getting a total of 3 or not? Is that okay? So that is how we solve questions based on your coins. Okay, it may be a little tricky, but I hope I've tried to give you as much information as possible. If you still feel that there are any questions, any issues that you feel that you do not understand certain portion and all, please do let me know. Okay, that's it for the time being. Thank you very much.